Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. Now at the end, these things right here, these two things, they are not going to be even. Don't worry about that. So you're going to start off with a regular piece of print paper, or if you have like a smaller piece, you can use that. And I might show you how to make two in this, or you could just click probably on the link that might be right here, but I'm not sure. So what you're going to do first is you're going to fold across like this. Yeah. Make sure it's even. By the way, this is called the dart plane. Don't pretend to throw it to somebody, because you can poke somebody's eye out with this. Because trust me, it hurts at the end because the point's so sharp. So what you're going to do is you're going to make it look like a house by folding this into there, and then just like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold it across, fold this edge right here to that middle part right here. Oh yeah, you notice I'm doing something different instead of doing origami, because I was making these today, and why not? I'd rather be an origami person and a plain person. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to do that on both sides. And you're going to fold in half. And what you're going to do is you could either fold down like something like this, which I never do it this way, but just for today I'm going to see, experiment. Now, the way that I usually do it, I'll show you on my other plane first. This just makes it narrower. It's better. So yeah, you can fold down to there, like here to here. Or you could do it like this. You could fold down just in the front, and then you can start like going up. So let's see how it works. Test it out. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna try out 2 times or make 2 planes in this one. So what we're gonna do, buddy? Here you go. Didn't work that time. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.